Hello.
Namaskar. Ami Uncle friends wife.
নতুন এটা ভিডিঅ' লৈ পুনৰ এবাৰ মোৰ চেনেললৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি বিশেষকৈ মোৰ এই ইণ্ডোনেছিয়াৰ যোনগৰাকী ফ্ৰেণ্ড আছে তাই 15 তাৰিখে যাবগৈ। চ' ভাবিলোঁ এটা লাষ্ট মিট আপ কৰোঁ। আৰু আমি এতিয়া গৈ আছোঁ ৰেষ্টুৰেণ্ট এখনলৈ। তাতেই আমি অকণমান বহিম আৰু কথা বতৰা পাতিম। পাৰিলে কিবা এটা খাম। ভোক বাৰু লগা নাই এতিয়া, কাৰণ আমি জাষ্ট ধৰক 15-20 মিনিট হৈছে চবে লাঞ্চ কৰি ওলাই আহিছোঁ। বলকচোন কি কথা পাতোঁ শুনিবগৈ আপোনালোকেও লগতে, আৰু আশা কৰোঁ ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল পাব। চাই থাকিব দেই। প্ৰথমতে আমাৰ যিটো এই মাহিদল লাৰ্ণিং চেণ্টাৰ আছে ইয়াত বহি লৈছোঁ। ইয়াৰ পাছত ৰেষ্টুৰেণ্টখনলৈ যাম। ইয়াতে অকণমান কথা পাতি লওঁ। এণ্ড উই হেভ গিফ্টছ ফ্ৰম চিল্ডা। Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is from Childa.
It's for me.
Yeah, for me.
We got a present. I will read it later.
And you because the bus is already operated.
Operating.
So you can go to Thai, but maybe you need to get up earlier. 7.
That's
Yeah,
possible.
if you want to take the shuttle bus.
So the shuttle bus like stoppage is same as the tram.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So it's near
We
only.
have only one time for morning.
Oh, only one.
7.
I don't know if I can finish my levels in December. And my
Me too.
parents, especially mom. It doesn't matter whether you graduate or not graduate. Just come home.
December,
After
yeah.
December, in January. Yeah.
But you already proposal.
Yeah, I did my proposal, but the thing is that like since it is completely lab based, if I cannot generate my data, I cannot like do the analysis. I need my data first.
Yeah.
That's the main problem.
If you can finish your lab test at the end of the year, other thing you can go with online.
Yes, that's
Just
possible.
finish the lab first.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Because we have like
important to
work
get
that
the
cannot
data.
do anywhere.
Yeah. From the beginning.
Yes, from the beginning till
Right down.
Yeah. But for this one is
This down.
good. Better than mine.
and you can it's like this. Oh my god.
Where
It's
did you
something.
buy? Online.
Yeah.
Here.
Lazada.
Yes, Lazada.
Anyway, we wear
I will
the
not
same
together.
clothes, but you
I also wear the white, but I take off and wear this.
okay. We
Try
actually
go and
we
shake.
wearing the white. Huh?
Try and go and shake.
No.
It's
It's
like that.
okay.
Faculty of Gadget এইটো ফেকাল্টি অফ গেজেট ষ্টাডিজৰ অফিচ, যিটো আজি দেওবাৰ বন্ধ হ'লেও বন্ধই হৈ আছে বাৰু। ৱৰ্ক ফ্ৰম হোম চলি আছে বহুতখিনি। ভিতৰতে আছে। এইটো হ'ল মিউজিক ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট। বিল্ডিঙৰ আৰ্কিটেকচাৰবোৰ বহুত ধুনীয়া। জেগাডোখৰ বহুত ধুনীয়া আৰু এইখিনিত বহুত ঠাণ্ডা পৰি থাকে, যিহেতু বহুত গছ গছনি আছে। আৰু যিমান গৰম পৰিলেও যদি আপুনি ইয়ালৈ আহে মানে ঠাণ্ডাটো অলপ অনুভৱ কৰা হয় আৰু বহুত ভাল লাগে। আহি থাকিব লাগিব ইয়ালৈ। আহিছোঁ বাৰু, আগতেও আহিছোঁ। They just open it right from 1st September. Before it was closed, or
Yes, before was closed.
okay.
Kitchen food.
এতিয়া আমি বহিলোঁ সেই ৰেষ্টুৰেণ্টখনত এখন আমাৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি কেম্পাছৰ ভিতৰতে হয় লগৰখিনিয়ে চিলেক্ট কৰি আছে
It's kind of
আমি যেতিয়া ফাইনেলি আমি ডিচাইড কৰিম সেইটো
cheese.
দবাই দিম
Lasagna.
আৰু আহিব
Cheese.
With the noodle is inside the tree.
কি
Sometimes
খাওঁ
noodles,
তাকে
sometimes macaroni.
He did this for
মই অৰ্ডাৰ দিলোঁ
Cream naman.
honey and lime and
To share their experience, their impressions when they have a friendship with me. And actually today also is about kind of my farewell because 2 weeks again I will leave Thailand and but I wish that I still meet with them. Okay, we can start with Nine. My full name called Childa. It's hard, yeah, it's hard.
I'm really happy to meet with the Childa.
Thank
and
you.
I was so happy when we met. She is very kind. We taught each other. She always smile.
Oh.
She always very helpful person if we need something. As I remember in Thailand. Thank you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Yes.
Thank you, Nine.
Yes.
Okay, now when we start to meet before,
we met for the first time in the Thai class, remember, in 2019. Most probably it was in the month of October to November. Yeah, six week class, right?
yeah,
Continuous.
we have like course, like kind of short course to
Yes.
learn about the language, and we meet each other there.
Yeah, and it was like we are so fortunate that we met. Not everyone, like sometimes we meet so many people.
Hello.
Just hi, yeah, hi, just hi, hello,
Just hi.
and after that, even though like they're sitting just next to me or something.
Like
Yeah,
not
but
too, it's
yeah.
hard to maintain the friendship.
Yes.
They don't want to talk openly.
Yeah, openly.
It's like,
So,
but you are the one
quite
who
friendly,
talk openly
yeah.
to us.
And maybe it's quite hard to travel another province. Like we have a trip another province to Ayutthaya, and
Ayutthaya,
yeah, it's
yes.
not too easy if we
Yeah, why?
travel with different friends. Like we just met and
Yes,
we
yes,
travel.
Yeah. After that, yes, so many memories. Actually, we didn't have that much travel together also.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
we
Actually, we planned to go
Yeah.
Chiang Mai
Chiang
or,
Mai
or
and-
Phuket, another place, but
didn't- Wahin.
Yeah.
Did you guys go to Wahin?
we were
went
there together.
Oh.
Only one day trip.
One day.
But
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
I-
one, but it was really fun.
I
It's
remember
really fun.
in the Wahin when you guys went to Wahin.
Ah,
I was at home.
yeah. Oh, you still in India?
Yeah, I was in India. Remember you did video call?
Oh yeah, I
From-
remember that.
Which one is this one?
and then
It's
this
really
line,
Yeah, our order is arrived.
I
Yeah.
ordered lime and honey.
Yes,
It looks so good.
Wow, it is
Let me
look
try
very
first.
delicious. Oh my god.
And I'm very thankful to Childa at the last moment. Like, of course, Naing and Childa, they both not only like for the team, they helped me a lot to when I wanted to shift from Bangkok to Salaya. And thank you so much. And
But
yeah.
I'm sure that you will not regret to move here.
No. I won't regret. Of course, I can say staying Bangkok is better because like
It's
you have
easy.
access to everything,
it's
and
easy
moreover, like another
Thailand.
advantage for me staying there is that my
Places.
campus is in
Yeah, right.
Phaya Thai.
I agree with that.
So only reason is to save money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
totally agree.
Yeah.
Maybe it's hard
Yeah,
for
guys.
us, it's tough for us to move every day to travel to Bangkok because we all of us live
Yes.
in our campus in Bangkok, right? But like,
Yes.
Yours was serious, right?
me too. I need to wake up every morning at 6 a.m. to travel to Sirirat campus. It's tough.
she has to wake up early than me.
Mm.
I think you
Because-
only take the 5:55 bus.
এয়া আমাৰ গুচাই গ'ল মই দিছিলোঁ
But
honey
The
lime.
good thing that we can save money.
What is your drink?
Jasmine tea. Japanese tea.
Japanese tea. And
This is Japanese milk tea.
Japanese milk
green
tea.
tea.
so
Yeah.
so we have three type total, right? These both are same, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're saying?
Last person. The
Hello.
most cute girls in dormitory 10. Hello, what's your name?
Hello. My name is PQR and I'm friend of Childa. We have been know each other for 2 years. Yeah.
I think exactly 2 years.
Yeah. Because we met the first time at Thai class, right? Now it's already passed.
I think we have one similar class as well. What's that kind of?
Class or
Like science. I have class in science about like chemistry or biological
Oh.
safety.
safety, chemical
Yeah,
safety or
yeah.
and biosafety.
Yes.
Yeah, we took that class together,
We
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
We even did the exam.
Exam and we did the exam and we also have.
Exam?
Yes, we have
Really?
exam.
I didn't remember about the exam.
I didn't remember.
I include, yeah. We were the lab coat. We were the lab coat
Ah.
and how to
Because
clean
for-
the hands.
Mm-hmm. In the we stay in the same apartment. Finally, huh? Yes.
I afraid of the fire. No, Jeff. Maybe it's honey.
Yeah.
Honey or
Is it honey?
it's cute.
Why I order this one? And we can go to one
This looks like.
pasta.
Oh, is it? Really good. But so sweet. But sometimes, yeah, we need sweet. Oh, this apple.
What do you want to record? Or just
Eating, smiling, our beautiful smiles. Among the Assamese people, we say namaskar. But we like, in both the cases, we join the hand and
Like Thai.
yeah, like that.
Sawadika.
This is for friends. This is for like Azan, and this is for king and monk. Right?
Monk.
Many steps.
Yeah, maybe it's 3 steps.
Actually, I have accepted in a multinational company, Japanese company,
Oh,
in my city.
like in Indonesia only.
Yeah.
By the way, which one was your city? Bali? Are you from Bali?
No, I'm from Java.
Java.
Java
Oh,
Island.
Java.
Java Island.
Yeah.
So
It's really nice.
yeah, it's very because it's like
should-
the most
Yeah, we should visit.
the most populous kind of island, the most what's that condensed people because it's kind of metropolitan area compared to like Sumatra Island.
Sumatra, Java.
It's kind of like they have many forests,
Mm.
but for my island, like they have a lot of buildings, house. So many from the other island come to Java to look for job or study. But maybe you should visit Bali as well. It's very beautiful, like Phuket. I have family there, so if you wanna visit, I will
Somalia.
come.
Yeah, of course.
Somalia, Bali.
Huh?
Somalia is different country.
No,
in
Africa. But we have the song.
Awesome.
Like we call like Somalia, Bali Island.
Oh, song in your song.
No, and song. Yeah.
Song.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
it's
are
too high. It's not good actually.
really
but
getting old.
it's time goes by. I think I will, but I will not reduce my standards.
Ashley, can you say like one, two, three about
Oh,
about
my
three
standards?
criteria?
Maybe
standard?
first he should also educated persons, so they should respect because not all men respect to educated women.
Mhm.
Like they not brave to get a higher their wife to study more in higher educations. I need to get his support. Like I wanna get PhD and I need he support me
Yes, that's very important actually.
But even
Yeah.
he is not educated and he support
I
you,
think
it's okay.
that's okay. I mean,
But
we need to like support each other.
Yes.
Me, I was someone who like act with me like if I I'm his.
Finally আমি ৰেষ্টুৰেণ্টখনৰ পৰা আহিলোঁ
My friends are there.
খাই বৈ ভালেই লাগিলে বাৰু
My
তাৰপিছত
friends are there.
বাৰ্থডে গাৰ্ল oh
Please
you
say guys.
so yeah, it was nice to meet Childa and
Thank you.
yeah, hope we'll meet again.
Yeah.
yeah
We should meet again.
yeah I think you are friend with me in Facebook. Maybe I can recognize from the face.
Oh really?
Are you JJ or
Yeah.
oh okay, my name is Ankur.
Oh.
It's being recorded. It's okay. Okay.
You wanna join with us? Oh, you have to do that.
Actually, we are going to play drums.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, having hand.
Yeah.
You wanna join with us?
Okay.
Like taking.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Why not? Oh, wait.
Let's go together.
Yeah, let's go together. I'll have the last talk with Childa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We must.
Anyway, you are here for another 1 week, right? Another 1 week? Sai mai?
Not 1 week, about 10 days.
10 days, okay. Hope we'll meet.
10 days,
We'll
yeah,
have the opportunity to make another work.
Please.
Yeah,
Contact me if you visit Indonesia. I will be happy.
sure.
to meet
And
you.
I would be happy to welcome you in India.
Yeah,
but
sure.
but that depends which part you are
Yeah.
going, because you know, like suppose
it's very
very big, huge, yes. And of course, you should visit our place. Yeah.
If you get a good job, don't forget me, man.
I'll
You
forget.
should.
You do.
Yeah, I'll say who
You
is
guys-
nine?
Who is nine?
Who is
I
nine?
don't know. Oh, we never know.
We never.
I will meet you guys.
Yeah. Oh,
God, this is
we just met for like 2 years, but it
very
felt
fast.
very fast. But sometimes I feel like we know each other from long time. Yeah, like just like childhood friends. Yeah.
International night.
Yes, let's go.
No,
You didn't join it?
I didn't.
But we just catch the last part.
Actually, I danced at the time.
Oh,
I saw you. Yeah. We catch that dance.
Beautiful.
ইমানতে ভিডিঅ'টো সামৰণি মাৰিছোঁ আৰু say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you guys.
See you again.
Quick.
ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে বুলি আশা কৰিছোঁ। আকৌ পুনৰ এবাৰ লগ পাম নতুন এটা ভিডিঅ' লৈ। ধন্যবাদ। Hello friends.